In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a recording template on Pro Tools. Now to do this, first you have to create your tracks. So when you open up a new session, of course, you want to go to track up top and you want to create as many of them as you wish. I'll just create 2 audio tracks here for this tutorial, just like that, as you can see, and that's basically going to be your first step. Now the second step is going to be setting up routing and buses, okay? So of course, you can route your tracks to submixes to keep your session organized and stuff like that. You can of course add buses, set them up, etc. If you want to, that's of course optional. And then you can go ahead and start adding your plugins to your tracks. So you can just go ahead and, for example, select these inserts A to E. If you can't see them, you can click on this button over here and click on inserts A to E, and they're going to show up. And you can then click on the specific track in a empty slot. So for example, over here, I'm gonna click, hover over plugin, and I can go and add the plugins in here. Okay, so I'm going to just add a few plugins in like this, and I'm going to leave them like they are by default. There we go, and I have 2 plugins on here. Okay, that's of course the next thing. And then you can also assign track colors if you want to, so we can just basically right click over here and you can make some changes. You can change colors like this if you wish. You could go and change these colors over here on the left as well by right clicking and then clicking color, and of course color coding however you want them to be, etc. Okay, now whenever you're done and whenever you've basically set up your recording template how you want it to be, you can just go ahead and save it as a template. So to do this, you simply want to go to File, top left, and you want to go here where it says Save as Template in the middle. So just click on that, and as you can see here, it's going to allow you to install the template in System as well, or you can basically select location for the template. So I'm just going to install it in the system over here. I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to give it a name. So for example, this is going to be a test template, okay, like this. And then you can also include media if you want to. I'm going to skip that, click on OK, and that's really all you have to do to make a recording template in Pro Tools. Okay, so again, file, and then you can go and save it over here. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.